Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today let us learn Rococo stitch. We do this stitch in diamonds. First start at the bottom of the diamond and finish it at the top of the diamond. In the middle of this long stitch, secure the stitch with a small straight stitch like this. Again, make another long stitch from bottom to the top of the diamond. And secure the long stitch next to the middle stitch in the left side. Like this. Again, make another long stitch from bottom to top of the diamond. And secure the long stitch next to the middle stitch on the right side like this. Now one diamond is finished. Let us do all the diamonds on the top row using the same color. I am using all the 6 strands of thread in a thick and blunt tip needle. We can use this stitch for filling large spaces in our embroidering design. We can also use this stitch for filling flower buds, dresses in the embroidering, outlines, and also other designs. I have posted many embroidering videos and I have given all the links in the description. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the links in the description and learn those stitches. After finishing the top row, take a little darker shade to the next row of diamonds. And I am just increasing the shade from top to bottom like this. I'll show you the last stitch. I hope you are clear about the stitch now. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. If you like this video, click the like button and also share with your friends. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. And this is the back view of the stitch. Thank you for watching.